Alright, here we got a driller screen. Got different options. See, my draw works. I could change it to say my tanks, pumps. Here I got the same exact screen as this one, and I have a third one, and I have a fourth one. My weight indicator is all electric. These are, can't really see too well, but I have cameras all over the rig. What you're seeing there is a top drive. Absolutely no rotary tables needed. On the other side is a second doghouse for the floor hands, the derrick hand. Nobody's allowed in here other than third-party drillers and company men. The room that you're looking at right now is pressurized to 1 psi. Right there are the vents. I got windows above me, windows all on the side of me. There's another computer. And there's another air conditioner. It stays a constant 65 degrees in here. As you can see, I got power, some of my switches in the doghouse, or driller's room is what they call it. Everything on this rig is hydraulic. There's absolutely no motors other than the generator. So basically I'm going up and down with these blocks with hydraulics. Our, what we used to call air hoist, are no longer powered by air. They are now hydraulic. As you can see, we have on the driller side and the offside driller side. ST80, which is also known as an iron roughneck. The convenient thing about that is, of course, no tongs are involved, and I can run it from right here. And, of course, the hands can run it from out there. So this is basically the doghouse, and I will do some more videos about the rest of the rig later on. Just like a video game.